Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. Happy belated Valentine's Day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a look at Aurora's new collection, the Enchanting Valentine's Day Charm Collection. There are three beautiful new beads that released on January 22nd, 2024, which is still crazy to say. I keep wanting to say 2023, and I'm like, nope, it's 2024. I can't believe it. But yes, a detailed look at each of these beads. There's three in the collection, and they're so Valentine's Day and so fun, but I also think they're beautiful to wear year round too. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. Let me know, by the way, what your choice of beverage is down below in the comments. I'm enjoying the Passion and Envy green tea from Amoda. This was in my Omoda tea subscription box, and I thought it was perfect choice for a Valentine's Day themed video. I also had to pull out my Valentine's Day tea mug. I thought it was really cute. But anyway, without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. So here's a close-up look at the three charms we're going to be looking at. We have two Murano glass beads, as well as a sterling silver bead. Now, this sterling silver bead is exquisite. It is called the Rose Heart Charm, and it is so pretty. It's a heart shape, and it is a rose. Could it get any more romantic than that? As soon as I saw this, I just thought it was such a clever and beautiful design. For me, it's definitely like a centerpiece bead, but if I were to get a second one, I think it would be beautiful to frame another centerpiece charm. Like, it's so pretty and the texture on it is beautiful. I love it. It's just like, it's like a little hidden heart too, which I think is so sweet. Here's what Aurora has to say about this design. Embrace eternal love with our captivating rose heart sterling silver charm. Crafted with exquisite detail, this charm is a symbol of everlasting affection, beautifully merging the timeless allure of a blooming rose with the classic form of a heart. The next bead is the Murano glass bead called Pink Rose Droplets. It is so pretty. You can definitely see the beautiful droplet details. And this makes me think of when you get a bouquet of roses and they have little droplets on them. I think it's so sweet. This is what Aurora has to say about this design. Embrace the tender romance with this charming pink bead. Inspired by the blush of a rose with tiny droplets of water, this bead showcases graceful beauty, evoking feelings of tenderness and admiration. The last bead is also a Murano glass called Scarlet Heart Sparkles. I love the name. That totally makes me think of like Valentine's Day glitter, decorations, and all of that. It's so pretty. It's a lovely red. And here's what Aurora has to say about this glass bead. A fiery red charm that embodies the passion and intensity of heartfelt emotions. Its delicate bubbles and vibrant hue make it a captivating addition to any charm bracelet, symbolizing deep affection and desire. Now we're going to do a quick design with me, and I just wanted to incorporate all three beads together, just a very simple bangle design on my Aurora bangle. And I just thought it looked so pretty. I know Valentine's Day is over by the time that I'm sharing this video, but I am still gonna wear this. I love pinks, I love reds, and I love roses. And I think this also is a beautiful design for cherry blossom season, moving into springtime and all the different spring flowers. I just think it's so romantic and so pretty, and definitely has got me excited for spring. So here I'm just putting on my little stoppers and the beads are in place and they look so pretty. It's also fun to kind of see how they look all together on a bracelet as well. And also how adorable is my rescue dog China in the background. She's so sweet. Alice was around too. She just wasn't up on the couch, but she was definitely around when I was filming. I'd also love to know, what did you guys get up to for Valentine's Day? Please let me know down below. It was a really busy day for me. I had a midterm, I had a presentation I had to do, and I had an assignment due. So I didn't really celebrate Valentine's Day, but I did have some Valentine's Day themed teas and I enjoyed it with my girls. So it was fun. And now you're seeing here on the screen the final bracelet design, a very simple, like nothing creative here. However, I do actually, there's this fairy in my Aurora collection, and I'd love to incorporate her with the rose heart. I think they would look beautiful together and kind of more of like a springtime design. If you would like to see that, check out my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller. I post a lot of my designs on there as well. And I just love how this looks. It's very simple. It's very sweet. And I'm actually wearing it as I'm doing this voiceover still. I just love it. It's very lightweight too, which is just so cute. But anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you again to Aurora for gifting me these beautiful 3 charms to review and style with. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.